Every day, thousands of tournaments take place globally. Millions of young athletes participate in these games. Each one of these emerging athletes deserves to get in the limelight. But why isn't that happening? Most sporting bodies think about live streaming their games to give as much exposure to these young talent. But they would instantly think, it is so expensive. The setup is time-consuming and really complicated. Or even, where do I find the most reliable and cost-efficient service providers? What if we tell you that you can glamorize your sports tournament at a low cost by live streaming your games with live scoring, premium statistical graphics, and monetizing it with sponsor cues? All possible with just one software. Introducing Sport Vote Studio, a full cloud-based live sports production software to make quality sports broadcasting easy, cost-effective, and accessible in any corner of the world. It can either be used with high-functioning video cameras, or even use mobile and tablet cameras to stream any game at the tap of a button. You can broadcast any game on the SportVote Web Plus app OTT platform with a lot more features like instant highlights, player cards, tournament schedules, and interactive watch parties with your friends. Now monetize and make every tournament worth remembering with SportVote Digital Solutions. Every day, 1,000.
Let's play. One more time, let's dance it all. Back on the board game, damn street ball. दो हाथ हर रात सब साथ होने लगे cheer fire, you better ball hard. सारे भागे इतनी तेज खुद को छोड़ दिया पीछे, back and forth round ऊपर नीचे बस beat to beat करके shot 3-pointer. Heat बढ़ने लगी ball when ball is in the air. Kings play fair, dunk पे dunk straight up in your face. No flops, no drops. Pitches सारे hit, कभी old school style, कभी pro to fit. Look at fit, super strong defense, all offense on court, सारे skill enhanced. Full lever on, बढ़ने लगा thrill, presenting Delhi Ink, you know the drill. कभी दफा कभी drives, सबके सब माहिर है. Champion will be one, एक बात जाहिर है. फिर भी हिम्मत टूटे ना, only one dream, records पे records, सारे तोड़ दिए दायरे. Ball baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the fourth match for the day.
Yes, game number 4. Archangel 3 pointers versus Delhi Incorporated.
I have Shivam back with me.
Yes,
Vivek's
And-
team is playing this match.
yes. विवेक जो इस मैच के पहले कमेंट्री कर रहे थे, अब वो एक दूसरी भूमिका में जाके कोच और मेंटोर के बतौर अपनी टीम को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. He is the owner and the mentor of Delhi Incorporated, the team that is debuting this season. Actually, मैच जो दोनों टीम्स खेल रही हैं, ये दोनों ही टीम्स का फर्स्ट सीजन है. Very interesting bout.
Right. I want to see how this match goes. The previous match was crazy. It got everybody to their feet.
Yeah, and also a very interesting character during these games is Vivek himself. You know, पिछले मैच में हमने देखा कि he was almost on the court
Yeah, he
next
was
to referee.
crazy.
So he was all in.
He was halfway in actually. It was funny. Samir with the ball and he drains a two-pointer.
What do you think pisses off a ref on the court? You know,
Players
अगर-
misbehaving.
No. When it's not the players, it's the coach or the mentor who's on the court side. वो क्या ऐसा करते हैं जिसके वजह से refs को इतना गुस्सा आता है? You know, they think कि they have to stop the game and they have to tell them कि you have to sit down, you have to behave yourself. ऐसा क्या क्या हो सकता है? Or what are the conditions under which this thing happens?
So it's when, so you know, if the teams are the underdogs and you'll have one of the coaches coming in like it's a full power, full josh, ke अरे ये करो, अरे वो करो, and referees like अरे हमें decisions लेने दो यार. So what it gets into the referee's head also because they are trying to focus on the game and then they have they have another distraction coming in. So that's probably what pisses them off. But apart from that, the referees that we have for streetball at least are very sorted. Very sorted referees we have for streetball this time. They're very hard and fast with their rules. They're very disciplined. They've managed to earn respect from the coaches and players both, which is a very rare sight with referees these days.
And the best part is उनकी एक authority है जो उनके आगे कोई भी command नहीं कर सकता. They are the like in other sense they are the big boss
Yes, their
of the
decision
court,
is the
the
final
godfathers of the
decision.
court.
Yes. What they say goes. Nobody argues. Shaunash with a clutch and ooh, beautiful.
And Vivek is saying हाथ ऊपर यानी please try to defend the ball as much as you can क्योंकि Archangel 3 pointers ने बढ़त बला रही है. और अगर इन जनरल गेम्स की बात की जाए तो टॉस की हमने बात की स्ट्रीट बॉल की जो दोनों टीम्स होती हैं वो टॉस को एक प्रायोरिटी नहीं समझती हैं although it is a very important factor but that
is.
is not the priority.
I agree. I completely agree. Beautiful one by Karthik. Samir drains it. Samir's got some really good shooting, yeah.
Time left 4 minutes 57 seconds. 4 minutes 57 seconds.
Also telling once again all of you कि जो women's के matches हैं वो 5 मिनट के होते हैं each half and जो men's matches होते हैं they're 7 minutes each half.
Yes, they are. Raj is trying to make a play. And he gets a foul and in.
That
It's a foul and one.
बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से complete किया उन्होंने इस
Time left
basket
4
को.
minutes 50 seconds. 4 minutes 50 seconds.
And what do you think about the review thing, you know? कि I think review होने के बावजूद भी the captains, the coaches आज के दिन अब तक तो कोई review लिया नहीं है हमारे ख्याल से, which is a very good thing. I mean the umpires are having a good clarity on the court जिसकी वजह से ये नहीं हो पा रहा. But in general reviews के बारे में क्या कहना है तुम्हारा?
Reviews are important, you see, because oh my.
And you see, that is what we talk about. The raw aggression at Street Ball League.
Got
Game
the
number
referee
4.
to the floor.
Yes, that was Mr. Manoj Kotian. Match official referee.
Oh my. Yes. But so back to the entire review system.
Actually, let's just talk about Vivek here. I think Vivek could be a very good army commander, you know? He's like so aggressive, like, "He koi bhi ho yaar, let's just do it yaar, come on, we have to do this yaar." And that shows how passionate he is for the
The
game.
best part is Vivek is back on court.
Oh, he's always almost on the court.
He's so close to getting to the arc line.
Sometimes कोई player confuse होकर उनको ना pass कर दे, ऐसा
4
लगता है हमें
minutes, 4
बहुत बारी.
seconds to go.
वो बीच में आ
4
गया.
minutes,
Yeah.
4 seconds to go.
And on the opposite hand, Archangel 3-pointers के जो coach हैं, he's also like I think he's very matured already with his
He's very
experience.
composed.
But yeah, he's very composed, exactly. उनको देख के लगता नहीं है कि he's like giving all the inputs all at the same time. He waits for the half time or the timeouts. उसी दौरान he gives all the inputs.
You know, through Vivek, you can see how he resonates the passion for the game through all of through his words, through his actions. He actually channels out all of that passion, which is beautiful.
Like I just want to ask you as an athlete yourself, because I have not played basketball for a very long time. मैं थोड़ा ही खेला हूँ, लेकिन
3 minutes,
मुझे आपसे जानना
36
because आपने
seconds to
लंबे
go.
अरसे से खेला, आप खेलती हो अभी भी.
3 minutes,
Uh,
36
like
seconds
what
to go.
exactly it means to be fit? Is it just like you go to the gym, you practice daily? सिर्फ ये fitness होता है कि what all counts? Like you have to sleep right, you have to eat right, your nutrition have to be good.
Yes, fitness is holistic, na? It has to be mental health, emotional health, psychological health, physiological health. All of it comes into play. Now, if I'm working hard at the gym, but if I'm not sleeping enough, all of that goes to waste. My 3 hours in the gym would go to waste if I don't have 8 hours of sleep. So everything plays its part. Everything, you know, it's a very beautiful cycle. You know, everything contributes to the other. So if, oh my God, we
And
have.
that is Mr. Hemant Manglani talking to Vivek. He's like, that was very close. The ref should have called it up.
3 minutes,
And Vivek is
2
furious
seconds to
right
go.
now. He's like, ref
3
should have
minutes,
called
2
it.
seconds
And
to
so
go.
is Mr. Hemant Manglani, the owner of Old School Ballers. बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग मुकाबला चल रहा है. जो engagement है audiences की, owners की, mentors की, खुद players की, is something that is very interesting right now at this moment.
There's crazy hype being created right now. Both teams are at all scores right now, 5 and 5 each.
5 and
Archangel is with 2 fouls, and Delhi Incorporated is with 3 fouls. Let's see how this goes.
Also talking about the names of every single team, you know, Archangel 3-pointers, Delhi Incorporated. It gives you a grand feeling.
It does. They're very royal names. They're
Yeah.
very creative names.
I mean, old school
2
ballers,
minutes, 53
hot
seconds to go.
steppers, buzzer beaters, you know. These are very smartly picked names for all the teams.
They
you know.
definitely are. You know, it took me some time to get used to the names myself. But now that I'm saying it with so much of, you know, so much of a passion. It's damn fun saying these names out loud, yeah.
And
These
always,
sound-
yeah.
yeah.
Please carry on.
They sound so nice to the ears. They look so nice on paper. It's all so hot, so spicy, all of it.
And also the jerseys,
The
the
jerseys
colorful jerseys they
they're
have.
sexy, man. Sexy
2
jerseys we've
minutes,
got.
31 seconds to
I
go.
think one thing also to look
2
after
minutes,
कि जितने भी
31
athletes
seconds to
हैं, वो अपने appearance पर भी काफी ध्यान देते हैं. That I've checked. I've seen a lot of athletes before the game. They were coming from the washroom, setting all their hairs because they want to look good in pictures. Also it's because it's streaming on Sportwood app. Also, Sportwood app install कीजिए. But yes, that is a very good factor. I think that's how an athlete should carry himself. Like he should look at all the perspectives.
We have some very, very elite athletes that come and play here. So yes, they come with the looks, they come with the physique, and they come with a game.
2 minutes, 11
No doubt
seconds
about
to
that.
go.
Also, especially
minutes,
at this time,
11
when
seconds
the
to
world
go.
is experiencing like a digital boom.
It is.
Appearance is something that I think यहाँ पर के athletes ना चाहते हुए भी एक importance दे रहे हैं उस चीज़ को,
True.
which is good and bad at sometimes. Like it is not a very important thing, but yes, it takes some effort. क्योंकि it is very good यार. And fouls की बात की जाए तो दोनों ही टीम के 4 fouls हो रखे हैं अब तक. Delhi Incorporated ने lead बढ़ा रखी है with 7 points. Archangel 3-pointers सिर्फ 1 point से पीछे हैं. They are right now with 6 points. And एक और point.
You know, coming back to the entire style factor, I feel like
1 minute, 35
Delhi
seconds
Incorporated and Old School Ballers are 2 very stylish teams. They have stylish owners. They have owners that wear all these very jazzy things.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, if we can see Vivek jumping up and down on court, he's so excited.
But that was a very good observation. Actually, मैं अगर बात की जाए दोनों ही टीम के owners के style की, दोनों ही टीम के हर players के style की, the way they carry themselves.
It's
Eh,
wonderful, yes.
Yeah, there's a reason why they're crowd favorite, right? वो एक reason है उसका. In fact, you're talking about Hemant Manglani, the owner of Old School Ballers. स्ट्रीट बॉल लीग के इंस्टाग्राम पेज पर अगर आप जाके देखें तो उनके बच्चे की फोटो
1
है
minute,
where he's wearing
3
all
seconds
like
to
a
go.
very beautiful jersey and he's
1
looking
minute,
such a dapper.
3 seconds
So
to go.
अगर शुरुआत ही इतनी
For
अच्छी
the
है तो
clutch
आगाज तो
tie,
अच्छा होना
you
ही
are
होना
3
है.
seconds away.
Style is at its best at street ball. Style is never compromised at street ball. Never ever.
My God, look at Parth's height right now. Like referee Mr. Manoj Kotian is close to his chest. Parth has a very good height. Ravi
Parth
has the
is
ball.
very tall, yes.
He's attempting a basket.
If I'm not wrong,
Will he make
Parth
it?
also has a strong post.
He does.
He's a strong post player.
1 minute, 2 seconds to go. 2 seconds away from the clutch time.
क्लच टाइम को सिर्फ 2 सेकंड बाकी रह गए हैं दोस्तों. उसके बाद हर पॉइंट दुगना हो जाएगा whenever they score it during the clutch time. So 2 सेकंड बाकी है और 1 मिनट 2 सेकंड बाकी है इस फर्स्ट हाफ को समाप्त होने में.
Oh man, how I love basketball.
I now see once again I think that this is going to be a high scoring game just because of the way the foul count is.
It is, it is.
दोनों ही टीम के फाउल्स देखो अगर आप. आर्केंजल 3 पॉइंटर्स का स्कोर 6 है, फाउल काउंट 4 है. दिल्ली इनकॉर्पोरेटेड का स्कोर इस वक्त
And
10
the
है,
clutch
फाउल
time is
काउंट
on.
5 and
The clutch time is on.
the clutch time is on.
Foul. Oh my.
I just want to ask you about the jersey numbers. What goes into आपको यहाँ पर मतलब सामने से options मिलते हैं. You have to select it from your own good. And if you're selecting it from your own good, अपनी मर्जी का नंबर, तो क्या सोचते हैं usually players?
So you know every player का jersey number no it resonates with who they are as people. So every player का jersey number इतना special रहता है ना, it's so close to their heart कि you know और किसी को ये number नहीं मिलना चाहिए, सिर्फ मेरा number होगा. So as far as I've seen, players usually pick either their birthdays or some significant date, one number from a very significant date that matters to them.
30
Probably the
seconds
date,
to go.
probably the date that you know got them a breakthrough or something, or probably the number that they look up to for one of their legends from the NBA or the women's
20
NBA.
Right.
seconds
So,
to go.
like I mentioned earlier to you, that you know I picked up my number 8 from Kobe.
Kobe.
Because
I
that
have a
was-
jersey of Kobe with the number 24.
10,
Wonderful. So 8 was Kobe's
8.
first number.
Yeah.
7,
So yeah, I mean every player has their own story to tell when it comes to
4,
jersey numbers.
3.
So we'll leave that to them to tell us.
And that is the end of the first half of
2
game
seconds
number
to go.
4. In fact, we have 2 seconds left. और स्कोर की बात की जाए तो आर्केन्स 3 pointers right now with 14 points. Delhi Incorporated का स्कोर इस वक्त 12 है. And Delhi Incorporated के फाउल काउंट हो चुके हैं 7, यानी कि इस बात का पूरा फायदा उठाना चाहेगी
2
आर्केन्स
seconds
3
to go.
pointers. बट आई गेस एक बात अच्छी होती है स्ट्रीट बॉल लीग में कि मेरे ख्याल से
2.
हर हाफ के
One.
बाद द फाउल काउंट resumes from the 0 and begins from 0.
Yes, yes, it
तो अगर
does.
आपको एडवांटेज लेना है उस चीज़ का तो आपके पास वो 7 मिनट का समय होता है. उसमें आप जितने एडवांटेज लेने चाहें आप ले सकते हैं, बट उसके बाद शायद नहीं ले पाएंगे.
Definitely. And if you notice, this match is so head to head, 12-14, 10-12, ऐसे ही scores चले आ रहे हैं from the beginning. So
Compared to the last 2 days of Street Ball League, ये आज का दिन जो है, you know, I think the team sort of know the opponent's game plan, the players, which player
Yes.
plays at what position, उनकी strategies क्या हो सकती हैं, उसके हिसाब से because
score
इसी
is
वजह से
14-12
except for the match of old school
in favor
ballers,
of
बाकी
our
सारे
Angels.
matches जो हैं वो बस 19-20 का फर्क रह गया है.
true, true. Last night I'm sure everybody went home and watched the highlights, watched their match replays over and over again, studied other teams, other players, and have obviously come up now with the game strategy after going through all of that, after doing their own study. So it's quite a it's quite a watch, this one. Everybody's trying to tap into everybody's strengths and weaknesses, trying to see हम किधर क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे कर
Right,
पाएंगे.
right. And also one of the best part of Street Ball League is मैंने देखा है कि the athletes जो गेम में players होते हैं they want to express themselves. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपने 3 लोग को select किया है कोच ने तो वो जाएंगे. Of course the coach has the final decision, but the players express themselves कि sir we want to go, call in for substitution,
Definitely.
we want to go in place.
There's a lot of transparency, a lot of togetherness, a lot of understanding between the players and coaches in the Streetball League, which is something I appreciate a lot. So yeah.
बहुत ही अच्छा था. और अगर पिछले मैच की बात की जाए तो यू नो वी हैड फॉर अ टॉस अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट एजाज खान, जिनको आपने कई टीवी सीरीज में देखा होगा. ऑल्सो इन बिग बॉस हाउस, वेरी पॉपुलर face in the Indian television industry.
We've had a celebrity-studded game today. We've had quite a few people here. We had Divya supporting Varun. We had Meghna Kaur here. We
Yeah.
had Ajaz Khan here. Quite a few.
And also, all of you who are listening and watching to us right now on Sportwood app, Sportwood website, or Sportwood YouTube channel, or any other Instagram stories or websites, आपको बता दें कि Saturdays and Sundays, even you can come at Santa Cruz Education Complex. यहाँ पर आके आप देख सकते हैं Streetball League Season 2.
You can watch it live.
For more updates, keep following Instagram page of Streetball League.
Beautiful cross by Yusuf, and oh my. Coming back to the match, Shivam, how do you think, how well balanced are these teams of Delhi Incorporated and Archangel?
आई थिंक ये ना 50-50 का सीन है, क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से जैसे कि मैंने शुरुआत में ही कहा कि दोनों टीम अपना पहला सीज़न खेल रही हैं, एंड बिकॉज दोनों टीम को दो मैचेस हो रखे हैं, तो दे हैव एन आइडिया कि व्हाट द ऑपोजिट टीम इज़ गोना बी लाइक, क्या उनका गेम प्लान हो सकता है. उस हिसाब से ये आइडिया लगा सकते हैं कि 50-50 का मुकाबला है ये. दे आर वेरी क्लोज.
Right, I mean, if you look at both the teams, they're very well balanced. You have, oh my. You have Vincent, who's a very experienced player. He carries his experience forward, and it clearly shows in the game. You have Yusuf, who's a crazy, crazy player. He's just recovered from injury, and he's already balling to crazy levels. You have Shaunesh, who's, again, brilliant at what he does. You have Samir, who's so fast, who's so agile. Oh my. You have Prateek, who, again, in his own sense, drains shots over and over again.
Time left 6 minutes 4 seconds.
6 minutes 4 seconds left in this match. और अब तक काफ़ी क्लोज मुकाबला रहा है ये.
We can see the Delhi Incorporated bench supporting one another. An attempt by Yusuf. You know, Shivam, bringing back the entire culture of basketball in India, how do you think it's grown over the years? Do you think there's been a drastic change?
5
I
minutes,
absolutely
31
think,
seconds to go.
especially,
5 minutes 31 seconds
you know,
to go.
by some like influencers like Vijay Singha and Varun Sood, and a lot of people who actually play basketball, leagues like Streetball League, ऐसे leagues से चलते, influencers के influence के चलते, I think slowly, gradually, faster than expected, बढ़ रहा है, मेरे ख्याल से तो at least.
I agree. I mean, as far as I've seen basketball, I've been playing for what, 10, 11 years now.
Yeah.
And from where I started to where I am now, there's been such a drastic change in basketball culture in India, not just Mumbai, but India also.
Yeah.
So many people supporting basketball, so many people recognizing the importance of playing the sport,
Yeah.
so many people recognizing the potential of the sport, which is, I feel it's so, so important. And streetball does exactly that. Streetball brings about the change that we all required in basketball, be it, 3v3 format, be it the coaches, be it
It's
the
like
players.
a game changer.
It definitely is. It's exactly what we needed to, kickstart and boost forward the entire youth basketball
I'm just
culture.
only like sometimes I just sit and wonder कि अगले 10 साल में हिंदुस्तान में बास्केटबॉल का सर्किट कितना एक्सप्लोर हो चुका होगा, जहाँ जहाँ नहीं पहुँच पाता होगा वहाँ भी होता होगा. एंड ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स अबाउट स्ट्रीटबॉल लीग सिलेक्शंस की जब बात की जाए तो एंट्रीज वर कमिंग फ्रॉम ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया. इट वाज नॉट जस्ट मुंबई बट इट वाज ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया. और फिर भी अगर आप प्लेयर्स की बात करें तो ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ मुंबई के प्लेयर्स हैं. They are from all across
Yes,
India, and
now-
it's such a beautiful thing to see.
Yes. Now that you mention it, streetball has actually brought a lot of people together from different corners and parts of India, which is beautiful to see. I mean, to see all of us come together for one spot, for the love of one spot. Man, I'm at a loss for words for all of that. It's just
Absolutely,
so
I
overwhelming.
absolutely agree with you.
Coming back to the game, Vivek's all hyped up and beautiful shot by Yusuf. Beautiful
And
layup.
Vivek gets really annoyed at his team players जब team opposite की score कर जाती है तो he's like कि क्या कर रहे हो यार मतलब he wants to say the same thing but he can't because he's coach side, he's also the coach.
It's one dilemma for the coaches. Crowd support for the Archangel 3-pointers and Delhi Incorporated is crazy right now. We have everybody going up on their feet, everybody cheering at every shot, everybody sighing at every miss.
आर्केंजल 3 पॉइंटर्स ने काफ़ी अच्छी लीड ले ली है वैसे अगर बात की जाए तो 18 पॉइंट्स हैं दिल्ली इनकॉर्पोरेटेड के इस वक्त 15 पॉइंट्स हैं फाउल काउंट देखो आप उमा फाउल्स देखो सर आप
6 fouls for the Archangel 3-pointers and 7 fouls for Delhi Incorporated.
Is it good? Is
My,
it bad?
my.
It is all the aggression.
Yeah, I mean it's good
Yeah.
and bad both. I think
Time
like they,
left.
I feel like
4
they're
minutes,
making use of their
5
fouls in order to
seconds.
get more points,
4 minutes.
while they're
5
also being so
seconds.
aggressive. So
This is
it's
the
oh my
7th
god.
foul.
So you know this is what happened with the previous game also. The game started off a little slowly because defense was so tight and scoring wasn't that huge. And now suddenly the scores are going up. They're just shooting up. It's becoming a very high scoring game.
तो आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क क्योंकि अगर एक टीम अपना मैच हार रही है तो वो कोच और वो टीम लाइक व्हाट इज द कॉन्वर्सेशन हैपनिंग इन ऑन द कोर्ट साइड या फिर ड्रेसिंग रूम में जाकर क्या बातें होती हैं या फिर वहाँ पर जाके कि कैसे क्या गलत हो गया या फिर क्या अच्छा हो सकता था या फिर
I
नेक्स्ट
feel like-
चीज़ के लिए
क्या गलत हुआ? I feel like that's a discussion for after the match.
Yeah.
But when you're in the position where you're losing ना, तभी तुम्हें ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता सोचने का. Because one part of you is thinking कि अरे shit हम हार रहे, दूसरा side of you is thinking कि what can we do next?
Yeah.
So I think when you're losing, all coaches and players tend to fall back on defense because defense can actually win you matches.
राइट
So if you can hold the entire offense to one side of it and you can just do defense, I think that could definitely win matches because that is what you need to do. If you do not have a strong
टू
offense,
हैव अ गुड डिफेंस
yes, if you do not have a strong offense, you need to have a better defense than the opponent team. Because
एंड अगर
if-
उसी
yeah.
चीज़ की बात की जाए तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है तुम्हारे हिसाब से जो तुम कह रही हो ऐसी कौन सी टीम है स्ट्रीट बॉल लीग में जो इस चीज़ को अच्छे से निभा रही है
I feel like previous match में ना मैंने Fair Play Kings and Old School Ballers, I saw both of them do it equally, especially Fair Play Kings. वो लोग ने इतना कड़क डिफेंस रखा था ना ओल्ड स्कूल बॉलर्स पे कि ओल्ड स्कूल बॉलर्स डिड नॉट हैव प्लेस टू मूव. दे वर
3 minutes,
कंफ्यूज्ड.
12
ओल्ड स्कूल
seconds
बॉलर्स
to
के
go.
प्लेयर्स
3
कंफ्यूज्ड थे
minutes,
फॉर अ कपल ऑफ
12
मिनट्स इन द
seconds
बिगनिंग
to go.
कि हम जाए तो जाए कहाँ, हम
Right.
जहाँ भी जा रहे हैं फेयर प्ले किंग्स वाले आ रहे हैं साथ में.
Right.
इतना टाइट मैन टू मैन डिफेंस रखा था which is why the scoring for the first match in the first half was so slow. But then I think something happened, something switched, and suddenly old school ballers, they got a lead in offense.
राइट
हाथ बैठ गया होगा रिम पे or something like that must have
I think
happened.
अगर क्लच टाइम की बात की जाए तो ओल्ड स्कूल बॉलर्स हैव आल्सो यूटिलाइज्ड द क्लच टाइम इन अ लाइक एक्सीलेंट मैनर
Right.
पिछले 2 मैच की बात की जाए दे आर ऑलरेडी डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस बट द वे दे हैव डोमिनेटेड द ओपोनेंट्स इज एक्सट्रीमली कमेंडेबल आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट टीम्स ऑल द रेस्ट ऑफ द टीम्स विल हैव एन आई ऑन देम
Not just the last 2 matches, but I think all the matches that we've seen since yesterday evening, since last evening, everybody has made use of clutch time in a very wonderful manner. People have completely flipped games around just by clutch time.
Okay, let's talk about these two teams. ठीक है? If you had to make a concept match between Archangel with any other team, Archangel 3 pointers का किससे मैच तुम अरेंज करवाओगी? सेट करोगी तुम? And same with Delhi
4
Incorporated.
minutes, 40 seconds to go.
So I have to pick
2
from
minutes,
teams that are in
40
street
seconds.
ball?
Yeah, of course, with Street Ball League.
Right. So I would match up Archangels with. Let's see.
Can I save my thing first? I
Tell
think
me.
Delhi Incorporated versus old school
I was
ballers.
about to say the same thing because they seem
It
like
would
such a
be
perfect match.
crazy because now we are seeing Vivek and Hemant Manglani coming in touch and दोनों एक दूसरे सेम चीज़ पे अग्री कर रहे हैं बट जब वो दोनों एक दूसरे के ओपोनेंट्स के तौर पे खेलेंगे
As head to head, they would kill it.
yeah and it would be an interesting thing to watch because both of the owners are so passionate
we'd have both of the owners and already on court through half the match.
Absolutely.
We've had to have both the referees push them back. कि भाई
Yeah, exactly.
Go.
कहना पड़ता है कि सर आप कोर्ट के अंदर आ गए, थोड़ा सा बाहर जाइए, ये बाउंड्री नहीं है आपके लिए.
these are two teams, but yes, Shivam, I must say these are two teams that are so passionate about the sport. They channel the sport through all they do. They practice hard, they train hard, and they ensure that they deliver during matches. And under pressure, they're wonderful to watch. They really know
I think this
how
is
to
going to be
deliver.
a good match, like a really good match. Delhi Incorporated versus old school ballers. और अगर Archangel 3-pointers की बात की जाए, I think जो उनके players हैं, they are quite defensive.
1 minute.
So I
40
want
seconds
them
to go.
to go against buzzer beaters because जो defensive player है उनके against मेरे according technical game can work.
Right, definitely.
And buzzer beaters के जो player है, they are quite technical. They are not very big in size, but they have a very skilled and technical game plan every
Right.
single game. तो मेरे ख्याल से Archangel 3-pointers versus buzzer beaters and Delhi Incorporated versus old school ballers, ये दो मैच होंगे जो
1
मैं
minute,
सेट करूँगा.
23 seconds.
I
My dream
completely
11
agree.
matches.
23 seconds to
I
go
completely, I'm on board
for
with
the
you for
clutch
that.
time.
You know, if I'm talking about the entire composition of Delhi Incorporated, they had Sully in, they had Vivian in for a point of time, they had Prateek in, they had almost everybody from their bench in for a certain period of time. They're a very well balanced team, and the manner in which they're sending in players, it really speaks about how well they've strategized for the game. Every time they have somebody that drives in, they have somebody who can shoot from the
Right.
outside, they have somebody who's very kadak on defense. So it's really impressive to watch the way Delhi Incorporated sends in their
Good
players.
combination.
A very beautiful melange of players
Yeah.
are sent in every single time. Talking about Archangel 3-pointers also, they have
Time
some
left.
very crazy
1
players
minute,
on their
23
roster.
seconds.
They have Yusuf, they have Ashish
23
Pawar, they
seconds
have
away from the
Samir, they have
clutch.
crazy guys. They're guys that can actually make a change, you know.
Yeah.
They're guys that can flip games around single-handedly. So I mean, hands down, street ball has some of the
ये बात तुमने
greatest
बिल्कुल सही
players.
कही कि सिंगल हैंडेडली भी कर सकते हैं. All of them
Exactly.
have the caliber to play as a team, but अगर individually भी
1
बात की
minute,
जाए, तो all of
43
them have the caliber
23
कि वो अपने
seconds
बलबूते
away
टीम को जिता सकते हैं.
Definitely. These are some players that can actually, you know, become one-man armies and flip games around, and it's amazing to watch.
And we're the seconds away from clutch time. और scores की बात की जाए तो yeah, this is a very head-to-head match. Archangel 3-pointers versus Delhi Incorporated. Scores की बात की जाए, Archangel 3-pointers with 24 points, Delhi Incorporated 23 points.
1
Fouls.
minute,
Look at the fouls.
16 seconds to go.
8 fouls by Delhi Incorporated and 7 fouls by Archangel 3-pointers. These are some of probably the highest fouls that we've seen as of now.
As of now,
8 fouls. I haven't seen 8
1
fouls
minute,
since
16 seconds.
Street Ball Season 2.
not too far behind is Archangel 3-pointers. Just one foul less than compared to Delhi Incorporated.
True.
The referees having a discussion to get a better clarity. I think इस मोमेंट पे दोनों ही टीम्स को काफ़ी कंपोज रखना होगा खुद को, or else they'll, you know, mess up their own games.
It's very important, you know, at times like this when you have a time crunch and, you know, when you're lagging in points or something, to be very calm and, you know, take it
3
with,
seconds. 3 seconds away from the clutch.
take it in a
Time.
manner that,
3
you know,
seconds away from the clutch.
you know you're going to
Time.
win. Because if you panic at this point of time, you're going to mess up.
Yeah.
And then it's such a chain reaction, you know. एक बंदा
And
panic
the
करता है तो
clutch
तीनों बाकी के
time is
panic
on.
करते हैं. It's because everybody's in the same team, everybody shares that bonding, that, you know, you trust one another. कि ठीक है, अगर मैंने मिस कर दिया तो ये शॉट तो पक्का कन्वर्ट करेगा ही करेगा.
Right. और क्लच टाइम का आगाज हो चुका है.
45 seconds to go.
सिर्फ 45 सेकंड बाकी रह गए हैं इस गेम में. Archangel 3-pointers and Delhi Incorporated, और ये होते होते रह गया. This is a really tough match. Very
30
head-to-head
seconds
match.
to go.
I think the closest match we've seen it all this day.
Highly neck to neck.
I think.
It's 25 all for both teams right now.
And
And that
with
just
this-
became,
15 seconds
yes,
to go.
that just became 27-25.
18
yeah,
seconds to go.
18 सेकंड बाकी हैं. Final 18 seconds.
And it's so head to head. Oh my god. It's got
You know,
everybody to their feet.
we as commentators, we are also on our feet. ये मैच आप बैठ के नहीं देख सकते, आपको अपने कदमों पे
बिल्कुल
खड़ा
नहीं.
होकर देखना पड़ेगा. This is so interesting to watch. All the team, all the owners, सब
18
कोच साइड पे खड़े हैं.
seconds to go.
सबकी निगाहें स्कोर बोर्ड पर, क्लच टाइम पर.
To all the viewers out there, do
Last
not
18
break
seconds.
something at home. Do not break something at home in all your excitement.
Yes.
मैंने करी है वो, पता है इसके पहले NBA के मैच देख रहा है, मुझे तोड़ दिया है, लाइट तोड़ दिया है, कुछ ना कुछ तोड़ दिया है मैंने एक्साइटमेंट में.
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि ये हैबिट मेरे में नहीं है, वरना मेरे डैड मुझे सीधा घर से बाहर कर देते.
15 seconds.
नहीं, but no doubt this is one thrilling
10,
match. Yusuf is
9,
driving in.
8,
Oh, wonderful
7,
assist.
Oh, that's a beautiful rebound.
4, 3,
Attempt them.
2, 1.
Beautiful. And with that, we come to
And
an
that
end.
is the final whistle. And Uma, please tell what happened.
Archangel 3-pointers have won the match by 2 points. 27-25 stands the score.
And अगर आप crowd reaction सुन पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर, लोग खुशी के मारे cheer कर रहे हैं because उनकी चहीती टीम है Archangel 3-pointers जीत चुकी है. It was a very close match, and this is Streetball League. You just saw game number 4 at Sport Vote app. I'll come back to you. Uma, please take over.